Hello, my name is Curtis Morrison. Work with Rafael Urena, my colleague, two law firms, someday to be one. This video is an April 15th, 2021 update for DV2021 selectees. Currently, me and Mr. Urena have two lawsuits that we filed that include DV2021 selectees as plaintiffs. The first case, Jacob v. Biden, was filed in January. Plaintiffs include both visa applicants in family-based immigrant categories and 383 DV 2021 selectees, plus their derivative spouses and children. Today, April 15, 2021, we had a hearing before Judge Edward Chin on the government's motion to dismiss that lawsuit for what they call mootness. It was a long hearing about many different important issues. Judge Chin is hesitant to give relief right now to plaintiffs until he can see that the government is not making progress on their own. The judge has ordered the government to provide a report in 2 weeks and another report in 4 weeks so that he can know what the pace of visa adjudications really is, the speed at which they're getting this done. So it is possible the government will issue visas to some or many plaintiffs in the Jacob case to impress the court. If that happens, that is great because winning is not the goal. Visas are always the goal. After those reports, we will have another hearing on May 20th at 10:30 a.m. PST. There is also a pending motion for class certification in the Jacob v. Biden lawsuit. So there is still a possibility that this is the case that will be the one that resolves the lingering legacy effects of the Trump administration on the State Department and the Visa Office and NVC and KCC and the consulates. However, Judge Chin also wants to look at what sister courts are doing. Now, after today, he understands that a Nunciato lawsuit is no longer going to give relief for DV 2021 selectees. But he is curious what Judge Mehta plans to do for the DV 2021 plaintiffs in a case called Go versus USDHS, filed April 9th, with many of the plaintiffs in that case are from Enunciado. However, we are not likely to get an order in the Jacob case before the May 20th hearing. Okay, so let's have reasonable expectations. We will not get an order in the Jacob case before the May 20th hearing. The second case where we represent DV 2021 selectees is Ray versus Biden, filed March 31st. This is the case we filed for DV 2021 selectees who face an additional barrier to the issuance of their visa caused by the Schengen ban. That case has been reassigned to Judge Tanya Shutkin. We have already had a status conference in that case. Pursuant to her order, the government has until May 5th to file their opposition to our motion for preliminary injunction in that case. So it looks unlikely we will get an order in that case before maybe the end of May, hopefully sooner. However, it is possible the government will issue visas to plaintiffs in that case, like in Jacob, to impress the court. If that happens, that is great because winning is not the goal. Visas are always the goal. If you are a named plaintiff in one of these two cases, Jacob v. Biden or Ray versus Biden, you are still in a good position and you should not worry about joining another lawsuit. Let's talk about this new lawsuit for people that are not members of participating in these two cases. As it is still unclear whether the Jacob lawsuit will ensure that all 55,000 DV 2021 selectees are issued, we do plan to file another lawsuit in May, accepting more DV 2021 selectees as clients. We are currently structuring the legal theory for this lawsuit, but we can tell you this detail about the lawsuit. The initial payment will be $500. No, that is not the total attorney fees for individual family. That is only the initial payment that it will take to join and participate in the case, and the remaining part of the fee will be due when the DV 2021 selectee enters the United States. Further, the initial fee may even be less or zero for selectees residing in countries facing poverty or humanitarian crisis. So, if you are a DV 2021 selectee, but not a plaintiff in Jacob v. Biden or in Ray v. Biden, and you're interested in learning about our next multi-participant lawsuit, below you will find a link to a sign up for a wait list. If you sign up on the wait list, when we have more information about our next lawsuit, we will email you. We know many of you have questions about this next lawsuit, but the answer to 99% of these questions will need to wait until we announce that case. We respectfully ask you to hold all those questions about this next case until we announce it, so that we can focus now on our pending cases and responsibilities and getting visas issued to our existing clients. That's our focus now. Okay? Thank you for your time. Remember to drink water and breathe air. Thanks. Hi, this is Curtis Morrison. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.